Hello friends, this is me Navdeep, and today's topic is about how to write and pronounce 0 and 1 in 4 different languages. 0 and 1 in 4 different languages, that is Hebrew, Arabic, Punjabi and Sanskrit, in reference to the English. Now, for the reference, we will here denote 0 and 1 in English first. 0 and 1 in English. For reference. Zero in English is called 0 and 1. Now come to the 4 different languages in which we can denote 0 and 1. First we will denote it in Hebrew, and next we will denote in Arabic, and then we will denote it Punjabi, and at last we will denote it in Sanskrit. Now come to the main point, how we will denote it 0 in Hebrew. 0 will be denoted as like that. And called as Ehphase. 0 is called as Ehphase in Hebrew. Now, what will be called as 1 in Hebrew? 1 is called as Echad and denoted as like this. And known as Echad. Now we will denote 0 and 1 in Arabic, and 0 in Arabic is denoted as dot and called as cipher. And 1 is denoted as like this and called as Wahid. Now come another language, Punjabi. Similar to the English, in Punjabi, 0 is denoted similar like English and called as cipher. And 1 is denoted as like this and called as ik. Ik. Now come to the another language, how we will denote 0 and 1 in Sanskrit. 0 is similar but called as shunya, denoted similarly but called as shunya. And 1 like Punjabi little bit. And called as Eka. Eka. There are the 4 languages. Today we have read about how to write and pronounce 0 and 1 in 4 languages, that's Hebrew, first and second Arabic, third Punjabi, and fourth Sanskrit. For revision, we view again 0 in Hebrew is Ehefes and 1 in Hebrew Akhat. And in Arabic 0 is called as Sifr and 1 is called as Wahid. And in Punjabi 0 is called as same Sifr and 1 called as Ik. And then 0 in Sanskrit is called as Shunya and 1 is called as Eka. This is what all the topic is all about today. We will meet in next video. Hope you will subscribe the channel and stay tuned for my next topic. Similarly, like new words will be studied in next video. Thanks for watching the video.